Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix hyping in online games. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first and foremost thing that you want to do is create a restore point. So to do that, head over to your start menu, then type in create a restore point, then click on open. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select configure, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on turn on system protection and then select it to the 5% and then tap on apply and OK. Now once that's done, here what you need to do is go back and then create your point. Once you have created a restore point, the next thing that you need to do is head over to your control panel, simply open up your start menu and then type in control panel. Once you're inside here, select network and internet. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is click on network and sharing center. Now once you're here, what you need to do is click on your Wi-Fi connection and then click on properties. Now here once you're inside here, find internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4, click on it and then click on properties. Now here under the use the following DNS server address, select it and then here on the first type in 111 and 1, and in alternate DNS type in 8 and 8. Now once that's done, click on OK, and once you do that, the next method that you can use is by simply heading over to your settings and then check to see if software needs an update or not, and if it needs an update, all you gotta do is simply update your software. So that's a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.